Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to quickly lock your screen on your iPhone? Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The quickest way to lock your screen is by pressing the side button on your iPhone model with Face ID or the top button on your iPhone model with a home button. Just press it once and your screen will lock instantly. To make sure your iPhone locks automatically after a period of inactivity, follow these simple steps. Open the Setting app, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Auto Lock. Choose the preferred duration such as 30 seconds, 1 minute or 5 minutes. If you prefer not to use the physical buttons, you can use the assistive touch. Open the Setting app, go to Accessibility and tap Touch. Tap on the assistive touch and ensure it's on. An on-screen button will appear. Tap it and tap Device. And finally tap Lock Screen. And there you have it, guys. You now know how to lock your iPhone screen quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more handy tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.